Hi friends, let me show you my new Hamilton Beach hand mixer. It's a 6-speed performance hand mixer. It's a nice size one for our home use. I mean, this is not a restaurant or an industrial kitchen. This is just for our house. It has basic instructions, of course, everything you need to use it. Perfect. Let me show you. You get the main mixer unit. You get the blades. Okay, you get like 3 different types of mixing accessories, and you get the way of you can store it like this. Okay, so you're going to store your mixer. Okay, so your mixer inside, and the main unit here. So you can bring it with you like this, and you open it like this. Okay, it's really easy to put away in the kitchen cabinets with all the accessories you need. Okay, perfect. Let me tell you, we're gonna use it, but of course, okay, these ones are beater attachments. That's how they are called. These ones are collar discs, and this is the whisk attachment. So depending on what your recipe tells you, it's the kind of accessory you are going to use. Of course, let me tell you, you are going to get the electric cord like this. Let me plug it in. Okay, it has 3 different speeds. You put the these are the beater attachments. Okay, so you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, like 6 speeds. 6 speeds. Okay, and let me tell you that we have a burst button. Okay, the burst button will give it a little bit of extra power. If you're working and you need an extra power, you hit this button, the burst button, and you get that extra power. Okay, perfect. Okay, so let's get these are called dog hook attachments. Okay, see, and the whisk attachment. If it's only one, I suppose you can put it anywhere you want. Okay, that's it. Perfect to mix any kind of food that you're preparing. Okay, you also get this bowl rest, so you can put it in the bowl and add more ingredients. We want to try this in the actual use of the mixer. Okay, here it is, ready to store it. Thank you.